The grayish piculid, Picumnus granadensis, is an endemic species of Colombia. Distributed from 2,600 to 6,800 feet in Cauca River Valley and its surrounding Andean slopes. From Medellin to the northern part of Nariño province. Two subspecies are currently recognized, granadensis to the south and antioquensis to the north. This tiny woodpecker has 3 to 4 inches length and weighs 12 to 13 grams. They have dark heads with spots. Yellow and white spots in the males, white spots in the female. It shares the characteristic of other Picumnus species. A short tail with a dark upper surface, central feathers striated with white on the inner margins, and the 2 outer tail feathers with white subterminal streaks. When they are feeding, they can forage individually, in pairs or in family groups. Usually in subcanopy and tall shrubs, pecking at small thin branches to scare and hunt insects, ants and larvae. In the study published in 2008 by Sedano, Reyes and Fajardo from Calidris Association, they found pieces of wood, remains of larvae, and remains of 4 species of ants in the feces, among which the widespread ghost ant, Taponoma melanocephala, could be identified. Territorial behaviors were also recorded in the same study, on at least one occasion, in which the resident female chased one of the intruder individuals to another tree, attacking and vocalizing. Her partner, who was in the nest, responded in a similar way, driving away the other invading individual.